Hello everyone and welcome. Are you tired of wondering if that essay was written by a student or an AI bot? With AI content generators getting sneakier, teachers need a way to stay one step ahead. We're not talking about catching cheaters, though that's important, we're talking about protecting the integrity of learning itself. Shifting through dozens of AI detectors is a headache though. That's why we've done the legwork for you, testing and comparing the top tools on the market. And in this video, you're going to discover the 7 best AI detectors designed specifically for teachers. We're going to start from the list and move on to the number 1. Now we've checked all their features, their pros and cons and pricing to help you make an informed choice. So we're going to give a summary of everything. Now let's get started. At number 7 we have Writer. This is the Writer AI, and what this is very good, but it's not actually wasn't actually made for AI detection, but there is a part of it that can be used for AI detection. Now what do I mean by this? It's actually a platform that offers a built-in AI content detector, but it's actually designed for teams and enterprises, offering features for collaboration, style guides, and content governance. So as you can see, these are the features: AI Studio, API, custom AI items, domain-specific LLM, and knowledge graph. So it's part of it. So if you look at the pricing, let's look at the pricing. You can get started for free, and you can see the pricing. So let's get started. Look at it. For team, you get $80, and then you have custom pricing under the enterprise. So let's try for free. Let's see. So if you want to sign up, you have to use your email. Okay, so you put in your email, you choose a password, and then the first name, the last name, and then you click on sign up. It's as simple as you go, or you could sign up with Google, any of the two. So once you've done that, you will now need to verify identity, because a code will be sent to your email address. You put in the code and that's it. So I'm going to check my email to see if truly the code was sent. And if you didn't get the code, you can simply ask them to resend the code. It's quite simple. So after getting the code, you put it in and you are in. So like we were saying, yes, the pricing is $18 per month for a team, and the custom pricing is based on the need and the size of your team or organization. So I haven't gotten the code yet. For whatever reason, I'm not getting the code. So we're gonna have to move on until they send the code. So far they haven't. Okay, I think I just got the code. So let's enter the code: 036699, and then where is our enter? As you can see, there's no even option for enter. So how are we supposed to? Let's reload this page. Okay, once you put in the code, it opens the next page. Then you need to put an enter. Okay, so you can now create a new organization, or just say create a new organization, and then you put the organization name, then continue. Nothing's happening. Okay, now welcome. We'd probably like to get started with this. Pick one. 14-day free trial. I'll start with this. And then you click on continue. Okay, so tell us a bit more about yourself. You don't have to tell them about yourself. What do you want to do? Improving content quality. You can select all if they all apply. Which department are you in? So we will look for education. As there's no indication, so we choose other. So type in education, because we are teachers and want to find out if our students wrote the essays or work with AI. It's kind of slow. Network is kind of slow. That's probably the reason why this is actually the list in our list. It's kind of not really. It's just AI detection is a little part of what it does. It's a little part. Okay, welcome, and then we are in. It's as simple as that. So from here, you can now check out other videos on how to use the writer app. Then let's move on to number 6. Number 6, we have the AI detector. Let me show you. This is the website. It's called Undetectable AI. It's an advanced AI detector and AI checker for ChatGPT and more. So this is the best one. This is the next one for me. As you can see, right from the back, you have access to what you're looking for. So you just simply put your text here and let it paste the text here and let it know, and to help you, then you check for AI by clicking on check for AI. It's as simple as that. It's a really cool app. You don't have to do any signing up or whatever. It's just perfect, as you can see. So it has a unique approach to AI detection and modification. But you have a free trial, which is exactly what I'm enjoying right now. But if you want the paid version, you pay $14.99 per month, yearly $5 per month, and if you are in business plan, based on the needs of a team organization, the payment will be adjusted. So the next one on our list is, that is now number 5, is this CopyLeaks. Now CopyLeaks is another good one. So let's accept it. You can see, you can try it now. Let's try it now, see what it's all about. It helps with academic integrity. Sorry. It has an advanced AI detection and comprehensive feature that make it valuable in the fight against plagiarism and AI generated content. It's a very great powerhouse. You have to verify that you are human before you can continue. You can see. It is very well suited for business organizations that need to protect their intellectual property, like educators. So, and then you just simply hit a few seconds or to help you in your way to text input, and it gives you a tour instantly. If you don't want, you can just simply cancel. So right here, just drop the file here, and then you ask it to scan. This is new scan. So it's quite simple. It's quite simple. If you want to create an account, you click on create an account right here, and then you can sign up using Google, sign up with Facebook, or sign up with SS, or just sign up with your email. So let's use the email, and then you choose a password. And once you put in a password, then you click on create account. It's as simple as that. So if you verify you're human, it's loss verification. And that brings us to the next. Oh, let me give you the pricing before I move on. For the free trial, it's what we're using right now, free of charge. But if you want to use the AI detector, because the free trial is available to test the platform's features, but if you want to use the AI detector, you're gonna pay $9.99 a month. And then if you're using the program using detector, you pay $10.99 per month. If you're using the AI plus program using detectors, you pay $16.99 per month. So that's it. Like I said, they'll give you a confirmation code. As always, you have to put in your confirmation code, confirm your email, and this came really fast, unlike the other website. And then you click on verify. It's as simple as that, and you've created your account. Then you put in your details, your first name, last name, your position, who are you. You can see it's actually for teachers. If you look at it very, it's actually for teachers. So you can agree to the terms, click on the ones you want, click on submit, and it's as simple as that. So like I said, it gives you access to AI detection. In fact, this is just putting the, can you see it? AI detect AI written content in seconds, and then you put in your report, and once you've done, you ask for it. This is where you upload for it to scan it and to detect and let you know. It's as simple as that. Number 4 is going to scale. Here it is, AI detection. You can see AI detector, AI content detector, ChatGPT, and AI detector checker. So how artificial is your content will give you the probability here. It helps you to humanize. So you just paste the text here above 250 words for better accuracy, and then it will scan it. It's as simple as that. So it is a convenient option for those who want to use AI and also want to detect if the work or the written stuff was done by AI. So let's look at it. Let's look at the pricing for it. The subscription plan is simply $6 per post. It's as simple as that. $6 per post. It's not complicated at all. So that's it for this one. So let's move on to the next one, which is at number 3. At number 3, we're looking at GPT-0. Now, GPT-0 has free plans in pricing. It has free plans for limited time. It has essential plan, which is $15 per month. It has premium plan, which is $24 per month, and professional plan $35 per month. So we can request a demo if we want. Now, what it does is that you just paste it here, you paste your text here, and it will tell you, and then you scan for AI by clicking on scan for AI. It's as simple as that. So let's create a free account and see. So click on create a free account. Let's accept cookies. So create a GPT-0, get 1,000 free plus unlock. So you can use your Google account or your email. Let's try email. This is our email. Okay. Right, so you put in your first name, and your last name is optional. You put in a password. Are we creating an account? Are we signing up? Create your free account. Okay, we're creating an account, so put in the password. And then password is strong, as you can see. It's going to make sure it's going to be password. I put the terms, and then please check your credentials. Something is missing. What is missing? Nothing is missing. So why is it not creating? I don't know why, but it's not creating the account for whatever reason. Because we're using the email address, we've used everything. For whatever reason, it's not creating. Anyway, we're going to move on to the next one, which is on number 2, is Winston. So Winston is another AI. It's a social tool for educators that offers, you can see it right about, AI detector, personality checker, AI image detector, enterprise AI website certification, everything. So it is most trusted AI detector. You can see it is the standard in AI content detection, which is unmatched accuracy, identifying ChatGPT, GPT-4, Google, Gemini, and all known AI models. So you simply put it here. And get it from free, no credit card required. Over here, you can just simply paste the work you want to check and click on check AI score. Then now we're opening an account. You create an account, you get 14-day 2,000 words contract completely free. So you put in your name, your email address. So after putting in your email address, then put in your password, confirm your password, agree to terms, and then you register. and like I said, it just gives, what it actually gives you is that it gives you 14-day 2000 word scan trial completely free. So simple stuff. Now number one is this one, Originality AI. Now this is our number one because it is the Sherlock Holmes of AI detectors. This tool is built for serious content creators and educators who demand top-notch accuracy. It's like having a superpowered probability checker that can also snuff out AI-generated content. So it's a gold standard for accuracy, making it the top choice. Let us look at the pricing. Now for the pricing, there's the pay-as-you-go plan, and then here it is, pay-as-you-go plan. There's a pro plan, there's an enterprise. So for pay-as-you-go, one-time on-demand pricing, $30 one-time payment, you get started. This is all you get. It's everything you get under it. We're going to check out everything. Then if you're using the pro version, for individuals and small teams, you get $12. You pay $12 for 95 cents per month, and you save $25. You get started. Everything you need is everything you're going to get from it. Then if you use the enterprise ID for agencies and publishers, you pay $136.58 per month. You're saving $509. Everything in pro, you get it along with this. So it is really good. It's extremely accurate, easy to use. It's very easy to use, comprehensive feature, team management, and great for large-scale content analysis. It might not be ideal for anyone, and unfortunately there's no free trial available. So that's it for today. Those are the 7 best AI detectors for teachers to help you spot AI written work in 2025. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.